It's one of them. There you go.
Do the piece while you pee.
You digging for gold, brother? Is there buried treasures in there?
Yeah, my God.
This probably still got water trapped in it. That'll be so funny. He scorched himself. Whoa, you forgot water was in there, huh? Got all over the floor.
Okay, Mom, get it.
All over. Mommy's big old hooves.
Babe.
Does Mama have hooves?
No. And Mommy has pretty feet. Coco, are you playing in the pool? Do you have an indoor pool? Mommy making you a fruit salad? Oh, get pictures of me.